everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Heather. How you doing? Alright, so in today's video, I am going to unbox this. Oh, I am super excited about it. I have not opened it up yet. I did cut the tape, but I have not opened it up yet. So if you are curious about what comes in the Boxy Charm box, stay tuned. Alright, so the box arrived today, and they are very good about sending you tracking information and updates and everything like that. This box, I do believe, costs about $21 a month to get, and you do get one every month. Now, it's supposed to be filled with a lot of beauty stuff. So again, the box looks like this. Alright, and when you open it up, you get this. It says Boxy Charm, hello Charmer, sorry. And then you keep opening it up, and this is so far all I see. So at first you get this, and it is a little pamphlet. It says life of the party, live it up. And I'm guessing this is telling me what is in my box. It's got a nice list here, and on the back, I have some coupons for things. So, let's keep going. Now, in the box, it is all packaged like this. It's got the foam stuff, so everything is protected. When you peel that foam up, la la la. So let's see what's in here. So first off, we have something from House of Lashes. If I consult this, let's see what that is. So it's just lashes from House of Lashes. They are valued at $9 to $12 a piece. And it says it will add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. So here's a nice little close-up. You can see they're pretty. I don't really use fake eyelashes, but I am willing to give them a try. All right, so the next thing we have in here is from Adidas, New York. I hope I'm saying that right. It looks like this, and it is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. It's valued at about $18. Let's open the little box up and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. Sorry, the sun's kind of glaring on it. Alright. So that is cuticle oil for your nails. Next we have something from Bang Beauty. Here's the box. It is chocolate eyeliner, and it's valued at about $22. Open it up. Here it is, just a simple package. We'll unscrew this. It is a gel eyeliner, and that's what it looks like. There, I'll even. So, there's the swatch. Full of pigment, nice color. All right, and then next we have something from Smashbox. Always On liquid lipstick. What? Alright, and this is just says it's an assorted lip product valued between $21 and $24. If you open it up, we got the shade of, not actually sure. Does not really say on the bottom, but here it is. There we go. And there you go. So that's really pretty. Very pretty, very brown. Totally my kind of color. I prefer the nudes and the browns, the natural look. This, see if I, Always On lipstick, Rouge A. Says it's an 8-hour power pouch. And for the life of me, I still cannot find what shade it is. All right, well, let's move on. The next one we have is from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and it is the Party Animal palette. So here's that palette, and let's open it up. And there is all of the colors, very bright. Oh, I love this one right here. It's got glitter in it. I don't know if you can tell, but that's really pretty. And it's got the mirror. However, I am not sure if I'm actually going to use this because of the whole Jeffree Star thing, and I love Jeffree Star, and seems how she was put across as bullying him. Not sure if I'm actually going to promote her product. All right, and last but not least, we have 3 Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So there's that, and that is valued at $13 a piece. So if you add it all up for $21, I got a $19 eye palette, a $12 set of lashes, a $24 lipstick, a $13 eye mask. All right, sorry about that, the husband called. Okay, so we have, where did I leave off? Lost my place. Okay, so these are $13. Now, I don't know if that means they're $13 a piece or they're $13 for all 3, but there's that, plus the cuticle oil valued at $18 and the chocolate eyeliner valued at $22. I'm going to say keeping this box for $20 a month is a very good deal, and I cannot wait to get my next box. I'm also really excited to play around with this stuff. I'm gonna wear one of these tonight. I'm actually gonna try and put these eyelashes on. I look terrible today right now, but that's because I knew this box was showing up, and I knew I was probably gonna wanna play around with it, so I did not put my face on yet. So, well, there you go. You've got the 3 gold eye masks, the eyelashes, the beautiful lipstick, the Party Animal palette, the cuticle oil, and the chocolate eyeliner. So if you look at it, I mean, that is a lot of really awesome stuff, packaged very nicely, excellent quality, and I cannot wait to play around with all of this stuff. But for now, it's gonna go back in my box because let me tell you, girls and boys, my makeup collection is growing to be so massive. I am running out of room. I need more stuff to hold everything, but I'm really excited to play around with this. So I am going to go play with that and put the baby down for a nap, and I will upload a video of me testing out the products later. So stay tuned, and as always, have an amazing day. I hope you are feeling beautiful and wonderful today. And stay tuned to my channel for more videos. As soon as I can figure out how to get my phone to let me upload them to my computer, there will probably be about 5 videos I'm going to post because they're all just chilling on my phone. I cannot wait to upgrade my recording stuff. Anyways, for now, my iPhone works great, and I will talk to all you beautiful ladies later. Bye.